Hi, we are Roadie 230, and this is Carlo on drums, by the way. This is Ryan Zamora on guitar. Mawe Bautista, also of Switch, is our bassist, and Macmac Villaluna, also of Sound of Go, is our other main guitarist. Roadie 230, formerly known as Simple Lang, still the best band ever, was formed in 2006. We basically just jammed at the former Mixatune Studios, formed a band, decided to write some songs, became a band, wrote some songs, tried to record some songs. We're still a band today, but the band no longer looks like the way it was before. We've had several lineup changes. We've replaced members over the years for reasons or for whatever reasons. But in any case, this is going to be our current lineup. But for tonight, for the purpose of this invite, it's going to be Carlo, me, and Ryan. My name's GP, by the way. And future plans? No plans. We plan to
write novels
and make love to our own songs.
Intense love.
Yeah. But we're going to try and make our own music. And hopefully we can continue supporting all of the bands in Davao. We're gonna be a good representative of what Davao music is now.
Just continue to be the best band ever.
Still the best band ever. Anyway, October 11, we are going to be inviting you guys for the Sound of Go's EP release party. It's gonna be a blast. We have several other bands playing aside from us. We have Switch, we have Escape Plan Juliet, and Friendship Lagoon from Tago. Of course, the Sound of Go. Of course, they're the main acts, so they're going to be there. They're going to be releasing the EP. We're going to have a party. We're going to have a blast. We're going to have a lot of pop-punk music, a lot of indie and post-rock music, as well as easycore music. So I'm pretty sure we are all going to have fun with that release party. Okay. All right. Next question.
Oh, Mawe is here.
Oh!